Imagine if your boss gives you an Excel file with 20 sheets that has to be consolidated or combined and delivered as soon as possible, or the client needs a report urgently. Will you do it manually or use your brain to search on the internet to do it faster? And if you're watching this, you are from the second category, or you are an Excel nerd just like the rest of us. Hey Excel nerd, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Excel nerd, and on this channel we explore the shortcuts, tips and tricks and functions that help us live efficient and relaxed, more productive professional life. Today we will discuss a consolidation function in Excel which helps to save thousands of professional hours. For example, we have a vendor name list with amounts for the respective years which needs to be combined and in line with all 3 years. To consolidate this data into a particular format, you have the option of manually adjusting the vendor names and amount, or you will use a match function to perform the task, or worst of all, spend time and energy formulating a complex function to do that. If you know other ways you can combine this data, please comment down below. Let me tell you that there is a secret tool in Excel that can consolidate this data for you without any hassle. Sounds interesting, right? Let me show you guys this hidden gem. In data, adjacent to data validation, we have Consolidate. Microsoft says to summarize and report results from the separate worksheet, you can consolidate data from each sheet into a master worksheet. But wait, here are a few things you should keep an eye on before using this tool. First, ensure the data is organized as presented on the screen. Second, if you need a separate column like the source document, you need to have a different header for each column. Third, if you have duplicates in your table, it will be combined those duplicates as well. So it would be best if you distinguish those duplicates. Let's use this to consolidate multiple sheets into one sheet. First, select and open all the files that contains the data you want to consolidate. Select the final sheet and cell where you need to consolidate data. Then go to the data consolidation or press Alt-A-N. Here we have function drop down in which there are 11 functions open. Then we have reference in which we will be selecting the array and other few options which we will be exploring in the video. First, choose the function in the drop down menu for consolidation default sum function. Select your array in the reference, press add after selecting the array, and repeat this for each worksheet or workbook that contains the data you need to be included. Tick the top row for different amount and the left column for the vendor's name and press OK. Here is your consolidated data with different vendors and respective years. Consolidated data will be little rough and need minor formatting changes, but this is a far better way to do it. If you like this video, I recommend dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. It will motivate us to make more videos like this. There are other options in the Consolidate that can be useful to you. For example, we can also check a link to source data to get the same result with the format and link to our source document. Similarly, we can also use different function for different scenarios. You can use this in a different way. Consolidation can be used in various ways. In finance and accounting profession, you can combine budgets from the multiple departments into one company-wide budget or different year. Or in human resources, you can use this to combine employee data. If you want to be more productive in your professional life and save some pressure hours, follow this channel for more videos like this and watch this video to learn more about Microsoft Excel.